You hear it, nigga? For all you niggas, man. Let's get into this shit. For real, fuck it. Hey, yo, all a nigga knows is money, cars, and clothes. Trips to DR, Menage and with hoes. Rose gold, the wrist, color stone, the bezel. I aim high, hell nah, I won't settle. Hey, yo, we came a long way from the hallways, horseplay. I'm from where they let them things off Broadway. Cousin go to case, he let them things off Broadway. Close calls too, thank God they never caught me. I'm too smooth, maneuver them haters off me. They show love, but I know the niggas salty. Force me, I break up groups like Aubrey. Boy meets world, got me feeling like Corey. I-95 in it, bent here to strip up. Meetings in Trenton, Union is the pickup. Picked up where I left it, first finish my business. Rock shit, I witnessed it, I lived it. Riding through my hood fly, they wave to the good guy. Young so I value my time, they say the good guy. I won't trip, as long as I get to say bye. I made my mark, they got me feeling like AI. Money in this man eyes, bitches on standby. I'm all about me, currently I got my hands tied. Follow the wise guy, career on the high rise. Dumb niggas get found down with their eyes wide. I don't see no future in lying, so I'ma tell the truth. These niggas hating, but inside they wanna be like you. Bunch of perpetrators, hurting like they deserve a favor. What makes you laugh now, definitely it hurts you later. All a nigga knows is money, cars, and clothes. Trips to DR, Menage and with hoes. Rose gold, the wrist, color stone, the bezel. I aim high, hell nah, I won't settle. All a nigga knows is money, cars, and clothes. Trips to DR, Menage and with hoes. Rose gold, the wrist, color stone, the bezel. I aim high, hell nah, I won't settle. Hey yo, I guess I'm ahead of my time. Niggas behind me, they can't find me. I'm on the island with my mommy, drenched in polo black, 3-button polo hat. This time I'm going in, I ain't holding back. Cut a couple cornballs off, niggas to hold you back. But everybody wanna track when they know you crack. They fascinated with the fact that I graduated. I should thank them niggas, I'm kinda glad they hate it. The first pick like Blake Griff, you late kid. I'm nice, you can't put a price on greatness. Rocks royalty, moment time spoil me. Loyalty and money, a bunch of niggas supporting me. Slow start, the fast pace got the cash straight. And time is money, dummy, I don't procrastinate. A few hundred from copping the Q, come to green. Binge, but still open for that Oprah cream. Mean drive like road rage, yo gave me the okay. Now I blow chips like a poker game. I spend a lot of cash, being been spending past. I just do it, honestly I don't need to brag or boast and talk about what I'm supposed to have. A boss, so a cause they couldn't coach his ass. Right path, headed towards so much cash. In the back seat, getting chauffeur pass. All a nigga knows is money, cars, and clothes. Trips to DR, Menage and with hoes. Rose gold, the wrist, color stone, the bezel. I aim high, hell nah, I won't settle. All a nigga knows is money, cars, and clothes. Trips to DR, Menage and with hoes. Rose gold, the wrist, color stone, the bezel. I aim high, hell nah, I won't settle. All a nigga know is what I know. I see y'all hoe ass niggas. Ass niggas, they know.